Hello, I'm Dr. Gitalima. I'm a senior ENT surgeon practicing in Delhi NCR. Today I'm here to talk about something which is emerging as a matter of great concern in post-COVID patients. It is called black fungus or mucormycosis. So you must have already read about it. It's everywhere all over the media. So what is mucor? It is a kind of fungus which we normally find in decaying plant matter, vegetable matter. Sometimes it's a commensal inside the nose, but it doesn't usually get active and cause disease unless you are immunocompromised, such as if you are a diabetic or a transplant patient undergoing radiotherapy or chemotherapy for cancer, or maybe on other immunocompromised drugs for arthritis or autoimmune diseases. COVID, we know, is immunocompromising disease, and added to it, we are using high-grade steroids, high doses of steroids in patients of advanced COVID. So that itself is adding to the immunocompromised state of the patient and probably encouraging the growth of mucor. And of course, the high dose of oxygen therapy that is being given and required in patients of advanced COVID with the use of humidifier along with is causing a moist atmosphere which is conducive for the growth of the fungus. But though this is seen in immunocompromised patients, in the last 2 weeks, I saw 3 cases, thankfully, of a less aggressive form of mucor in young patients, varying from the age of 20 to 27, probably because of their long-standing untreated nasal polyposis. Instead of going into the details, let me tell you about this patient who presented just 3 days ago, 69-year-old diabetic, who presented with high-grade fever and proptosis, that is swelling of the eye, gradually diminishing vision, and the mucor all over his nose and sinuses extending to his brain. Let me quickly take you through his endoscopy pictures. On the left side, you can see the nasal cavity is perfectly normal. On the right side, you can see that hard, thick crust, blackish. It was filling up the entire nasal cavity, eroding the bones of the nose. I took a sample, sent it for culture and sensitivity. Some of the CT images, you can see there are breaks in the bone surrounding the eye, where the disease has spread from the sinuses to different parts of the eye and also extending to the surrounding brain tissue. As you can see, mucor is a very aggressive disease. It can behave like an aggressive cancer and can spread rapidly within a period of 3 to 4 days time. In advanced cases, in addition to the antifungal medicines that we give, we might need to do an endoscopic surgery to clear out the sinuses. Ophthalmology colleagues might need to remove the eye in order to save a patient's life. So my urgent request to all of you out there, please do not start on steroids on your own. Please do not share prescriptions. Even though you might have similar symptoms, the prescription that a doctor has given you may not be the right one for your husband or your wife or your cousin or your friend. So please consult your doctor before you take any of the medicines that are recommended for COVID, especially steroids. And it is my urgent request to all my colleagues, please use steroids judiciously.